Right, I hope everyone's been doing alright lately. Just thought I'd do a quick video of another book I've written. So I've got a couple going at the minute, like maybe 2 or 3, but trying to find time to finish them is a bit of a nightmare. And then you kind of write a bit, and you might kind of get bored and want to go on to another one. But anyway, so I finished another one. It is Survival Tin reference book. So it's pretty self-explanatory, really. It's a reference book for the items in a survival tin. So what I've done is I've tried to do it so it's kind of like quick reference, and at the same time got alternative ideas rather than all of just the usual ideas, because most of it's just pretty obvious and self-explanatory, if you know what I mean. So I'll see if I can find one. Well, it is a simple one, so black and white pictures again. So fishing kit, and how I've done it is, so you've got fish, usual uses, catching fish, but alternative uses or other uses. Fishing line can be used the same as any other cord is to bind things together. It can be used for bird snares, sewing thread, trip wires, trap triggers. Weights can be used as slingshot ammo. Swivels used with snare traps. Hooks can be used for other traps. So I reference, so if you had a survival tin and you thought, oh, well, I can only use my fishing kit for fishing, well, you can't, you know, there's loads of other ideas you could do. And then I tried to put some tips and tricks at the bottom, or whatever, you know. So that goes through the entire book of pretty much most things what would be in a survival tin. I might have missed some things which other people put in, and I might have put a couple of extra things in. Some things I couldn't think of alternative uses, like for example a compass. There is not many other uses for a compass other than, you know, finding a direction. But it's, how many pages? 69 pages long. Now what I would have loved is if I could have made this book fit in a survival tin. It would have been brilliant. I'd love that if it had been about, you know, that big. Fit it in a survival tin, have it with the survival tin, but this is the smallest size that Amazon does, so that's all I could do really. But I'd love to have done a tiny one, but then mind you, if it was tiny it'd probably be about that fat as well, so it's one of them. All the pictures would have been so small that you can't really see, in the right would have been tiny. But yeah, so survival tin reference book. It's on Amazon for, I think I put it for $4.99. Yeah, so if you're interested, have a look. There it is. Right, cheers for watching. Oh, and another thing, I might have soon figured out the pheasant foot snare slightly better. I've got some thicker forks to try it with, and I've also figured out a way of making it like at home out of normal wood as well, so you could make like primitive style ones and at home ones that you take out with you. But I'll do that on a later video. Alright, cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.